welcome back to my channel. This year I really wanted to invest in some new machines for my business, so I decided to go ahead and take the plunge and make the purchases. So I'm first starting off with clearing out a part of my office space to make some room for these new machines. I'm just moving the stuff that I have there and then cleaning up the area. I decided to go with a multi-tier desk for my Cricut Venture, so I'm just going ahead and building that. I love building, it's so fun. I love this because the desk is adjustable and it has plugs on the top of the desk as well. So I already have the Cricut Maker, but I decided to upgrade to the Cricut Venture because I wanted to be able to print and cut projects on a bigger scale, and as well as cut bigger vinyl projects. This desk ended up working really well and fit the Cricut Venture nicely. So with the box, it comes with some extenders so you can put the bigger mats into the project. It has all of the plugs and the cords, and as well it has some rollers for the back and then some cleaning supplies. It also came with some tester smart vinyl material so you can practice with. Next, I bought the HTV Auto Heat Press 2, and I'm really glad because I was about to buy the first one, but then they had just released the second one, so I'm happy that I waited because I really like the auto pressure feature of the second version. So here I'm testing out some iron-on vinyl onto a tote bag. I'm just putting a Teflon sheet over the tote bag and then going ahead and pressing it at 320 degrees at 20 seconds with 110 pound pressure. I'm just cooling off the vinyl before I peel it off. And then this is how it turned out. It worked really well. Now this was a big purchase for me, but I really wanted to elevate my business to the next level. So I bought the xTool P2 Laser Machine. I was debating on which kind of laser machine I wanted, but I decided to go with a CO2 laser because I mostly wanted to cut different colored acrylics with it. I also got the Safety Pro smoke purifier, which really helps with the smell when cutting. I love how this is on wheels. It's really easy to move around and change out the filters. Make sure to remove all of the plastic packaging from the filters. And I just put my smoke purifier right under my laser machine. They pack everything nicely inside of the laser machine, so you get some manual instructions with some tester wood and cardboard. You get all of the different plugs, a screwdriver, some clamps. You get a funnel. You get some antifreeze, which is good. I had bought some, I didn't realize it came with it. And then I'm just removing the slates so I can get under to the acrylic sheets and then the rest of packaging at the back and underneath. Just peeling off the rest of packaging. Now I'm filling up the tank with the antifreeze and the purified water. I also got a variety of different kinds of acrylic so I can test out with my cutting. I got some little sample pieces to see which colors I want to offer in my store, and then I got some actual acrylic sheets to cut. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know if you want to see me testing any of these machines, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.